All right, and we're continuing on balancing the equations. Remember, to balance the equation, you have to do things mathematically correct or by the law, and we call them properties in math. And so it means that if we have an equation, so 20 equals 3 plus x, we need to make sure that this is the balance, this side equals this side. And we've been working on it with adding and subtracting, but today's lesson is on multiplying and dividing. So we would, let's just finish it with adding and subtracting. We look on this side here, and we notice that x is being, 3 is being added to x, and so we want x all by itself. So we're going to subtract 3 on both sides, and we get 17 equals x. Then we're going to flip that 17 equals x here. And we know that, and we're allowed to do that because of the property of subtraction, of equality. And equality is because it's an equal sign. Well, we're running into the multiplying and dividing, and it's a little bit trickier, but not too much. So we'll take it step by step. It'll be pretty easy. So on the property of multiplication and of equality and the property of division of equality are both vocabulary words you need to know. And that one undoes the other. So if we have, let's say we have 20 equals 4x. So we're working on the x side here. And what's happening to x? It's being multiplied by 4. So we divide both sides by 4. And we can do that because that's the division property of equality. And so we get a coefficient of 1 over here, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 equals x. We're going to flip that, x equals 5. All right, and if we have something that is divided, then we do the opposite. So let's do this one here. Y over 3. Let's pull a negative in there. Equals -8. So all of our rules on the negatives and fractions apply. So we have an equation, and we are working on the y side here. And what's happening to y? It is being divided by -3. So we're going to multiply by -3 on both sides because it's a balance. What we do to one side, we do to the other. And we get the coefficient of y is 1. Y equals, well, 24, but it's a positive 24. There you go. And so that one would be the multiplication property of equality because you are multiplying to balance it. Thank you. Bye-bye.